Why is it important to have the right piston for the right cylinder? This 162 has a closed port cylinder, but I've installed a non-windowed piston into the cylinder. You can see it wants to turn over, it doesn't make it. Got plenty of compression. This is the cylinder, the piston I bought. You can see written on it 61 and 162. Thought maybe it would work. Here's the right piston. It's Meteor. This is the Charlie, or the C, that matches the C on this cylinder. Took a while to find that. So after trying to start it, this is what you see. That's the full skirted piston. You can see it doesn't quite match up with the cylinder. There's some little bit of scoring or marks there that I don't think would exist if it was the exact right piston. This is from a Husqvarna 353. It's not a fully open port, but it's partially open port. You can see where it's open to make communication with the primary compression of the case. And this is the 162, full closed port. Those skirts on the cylinder go into the case. And here's a comparison. The 353 that opens up to the combustion chamber, or the compression chamber, and the 162 that doesn't. Here you can see the fully windowed. You can imagine the communication can happen from that primary compression up to the closed port and make its way to the top. Still has healthy compression. I got the saw back together, and it didn't take but probably a few pulls before it wanted to run. A little bit of tuning and much better results. I'm sure it's because it has the right piston for that cylinder. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you will. Thanks.